On October 26th of 2018, I started a YouTube channel. It was on that day that the GenZ biker was born. I wanted to tell a story. I wanted to tell my story of how I found my freedom. Growing up, I was lucky enough to travel a lot, but I was hungry to experience more. I started my journey by doing the Lake Michigan Circle Tour on my motorcycle. It was over 900 miles and I did it in just 4 days on my Kawasaki ER6N 650 that I had purchased just a month before. Now, a month after starting my channel and doing this trip, I got accepted into my school's study abroad program in Milan, Italy. Now, I'm having the opportunity to travel the world and experience some of its most amazing places. So far, I've experienced Carnival in Venice, Italy. I've skied the Italian Alps and experienced a life of luxury in Monaco. I've picnicked at the Eiffel Tower and seen it sparkle, and climbed to the top of Park Güell in Barcelona. I've experienced so many amazing things in my life, and I just can't thank God enough for these opportunities that I've been given. But it doesn't just stop here. In the next few months, I'll explore the Canary Islands off the coast of North Africa. I'll experience the thermal baths in Budapest, and I'll rent a boat in southern Italy. Now come June 1st, guys, you can catch me riding the streets of Milwaukee, Wisconsin atop my Kawasaki once again. To those of you that are new to the channel, I appreciate your support so much, and I hope to find you on here more often. I've made it my goal to upload new content once a week, so stay tuned and adventure on, Biker Bros.